There you go. Hello? What do you think? What do you think, Marcus? Hello?
Wait, two boats?
Yes, I built one boat and then I built another boat. These are just some from Ben. We have chickens, we have pigs, we have cows, we have sheep. We have a great farm with many different crops.
In the middle of the ocean.
Yes, I needed these two. Cotton for string, and then I needed the industrial hemp seeds for immersive engineering.
This is temporary, right?
Not really, unless you want to make a proper farmhouse.
I'm not just sure the farm fits at the beach like that, but sure, it's nice for now.
Yeah, it's not
I think we
awful.
can make something
Now
better
get
right
in
there.
here. Now get in here. This ship is fast and it's nice and I love it.
Oh my god, this is glitchy. Oh, I need to sit
There you go. Yeah. Look at this. You remember what used to be here? Now look below you.
Sand.
Yeah, you see all of these blocks? I dug this entire island away. All of these stone blocks I dug out. And I created a canal.
Nice.
A canal that you can now park up next to. And I'm gonna build a train bridge going over this. Alright, where can I start with immersive engineering though?
In the basement.
This floor here, the bottom floor. How tall is
Yeah.
it? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I dig this floor out and then I can put what in here?
Yeah, I
What's
guess.
the floor
We only need to remember that we're going to put a stone foundation around like the
Yeah,
first
what's the floor gonna be made out of?
night stone foundation.
Like stone or stone brick or
Bricks.
stone bricks?
Yeah, we're not making it out of normal stone. Don't read too much into it. It's not worth your time. Why do I have rotten flesh?
Why are our chests outside our house?
Don't ask me, mate.
Wait, which brick type was it you wanted again? The dented bricks. So like this, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
So this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. That means I can start working on immersive
And
engineering.
then that's gonna be all around the house, though it's not gonna be 5 tall all around the house unless you want that as your walls.
Mm-hmm.
Because, you know, where the ground is higher, like behind you, we don't need to make it that tall.
Yeah. So doing this, I need a bucket of... There we go. I don't want the third... There we go. And to do that, I need creosote oil. And that I can make in a coke oven, a item drainer, which doesn't jack shit, or a rotary kiln. I would like a rotary kiln because that looks a lot faster, but we're gonna have to start with a coke oven. And we can't make a coke oven. Okay, good. We can't make a rotary kiln either. Great. To make it.
Oh, there's a bed flying now.
Right. How I do.
Wait, do I make the roof? Do I make the top here in slabs? Yeah, I'll make it in slabs, right? Do I make it in blocks?
At
No, I make it in blocks. Do I make slabs? Do I make it in blocks? Wait, how tall is this? Oh, come down now. This is exactly too
There
tall.
we go.
It's a very small attic.
Engineer's manual, a book and a lever. Doop doop boop boop boo. Ba-doop ba-doop boop boo. Ba-doop 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 boop ba-doop boo. Simple machines. Oh, okay. I guess heavy machinery then. No? Alright. To get that, I need creosote oil, which I get from a coke oven. There we go. Coke oven. For that I need coke brick. For that I need brick, sandstone, and clay. Hmm?
Don't
I
tell
don't
me it's despawned.
I don't have the
Oh,
bed.
it's despawned.
What do you mean it despawned?
Yeah, I've destroyed it and it fell down from the top floor and landed on the floor here. And it's...
You... Oh, okay, then go make a new bed.
Wait, what?
We have a lot of white wool in the chests. Not those chests, these chests. You haven't looked through them since you left. We have a lot of new stuff here. Right.
Alright, it's time to go back upstairs. Give me a sec. For the wall. Or the roof wallish. What looks the best? Upside down stair, just a slab, or should I just leave it?
Slab, I'd say. There we go. Coke oven has now been acquired. And for that, we now just need to throw in coal and, that's it. Don't mind if I do. So you get the most from cooking normal coal. Okay, then that's what we will do. And as we acquire more bricks, we shall make more ovens to make this faster. Boom, there you go, 9. Boom, make another one. Grab another stack of coal. Boom, even more coal coke. There's a lot of spruce stairs falling from the sky. You have any idea why this is, Marcus?
Don't worry about it. It is fine.
Stairs are just falling from the sky and you're like, don't worry, I'm following safety protocol, throwing stairs down from the sky.
Do we have any more dirt lying around down there? I've run out of stairs. My dirt stairs.
Dirt. Well, yes, we do have a lot of dirt. We should have a lot of dirt.
We did.
Good. So how does this want us to make Electrum? An immersive engineering alloy kiln. Then let's make an alloy kiln. How do we make an alloy kiln? For that we need a kiln brick, which is a brick and a sandstone. 26 kiln brick. Nice. That might be way too many. Actually, no, it wasn't even enough. Taking a look at what our little
40 emeralds.
What? Ooh, the alloy furnace is way smaller than the other furnaces. That's not so nice. I forgot about that. Okay, there we go.
Yeah. Are you continuing a bit on your own with the episode?
If it's okay by you, I've been recording for 50 minutes, but I'm nowhere close to where I want to be with
Oh, that's fine
immersive.
with me.
So if it's fine with, I'm just gonna fill this basement up with immersive engineering stuff.
Yeah, well, this is all you hear from me this episode.
Yep.
I'll
So
leave the rest
say
up
goodbye.
to Zap. Yep, bye-bye.
Adios. And there Marcus leaves me alone. Oh boy, I'm gonna have so much fun. Right, well, if we have a crusher, because I'm fairly certain the crusher, yeah, 2 dusts which you can then smelt. This requires a lot of steel scaffolding, light engineering block, redstone engineering block, steel frames and hoppers. So a lot of materials. Maybe I could start with some power gen then meanwhile. Okay, let's take a look. Engineer manual and then power, basic wiring. I'm pretty sure I got that down. Yep. I know all about that. So power wires and then power generation. Transferring power is quite helpful to provide To actually generate flux, you need to use the kinetic forces of windmills and water wheels. Connecting power to dynamo will generate power based on how fast they turn. The water wheels is fairly easy with powering a dynamo. Its turning speed is based on the water flowing around it. So you'll want to semicircular front, top, and side along the bottom. Up to 3 water wheels can be placed along each other. And then that's a windmill. I'm going to have to do with a wind powered system for now though. And then I'm going to have to enter a dynamo. There we go. Kinetic dynamo. And that means I can make a kinetic dynamo. And that means I can slap this on top of a windmill house somewhere. There, and now here I can put like boom, 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 boom. I guess we did put the game on hard. For it to start turning, or do we need it to be even more? So one block, and then out one block, and then spin. There you go. Okay, time to set sail. Boom. We have arrived home, and we can now resume building blast stuff. Yeah, there we go. We got 2 setups for them. I'm going to mine this up so that we can put them next to each other, because they are the same size, so it looks a bit nicer. And then now we can take this, grab this, badoom. And then, yeah, let's throw in that. There we go. 27 for 32, that works fine. Marcus seems to be doing quite well in the house too. Not sure what I think about the safety railings, but yeah, the house is looking really nice. And it's starting to be formed. So yes, things have taken quite a float. It's been quite a long episode to record, but you'll probably see quite a little bit of it, because I need to cut around most of it. The only things really need to keep is just this setup. So yes, this has been me, Hannah, and Marcus before. And that's gonna be it. I'll see you all next time, which I'm guessing this is gonna go up on a Friday, so you'll see us again Monday. Bye bye.